வீடியோ.
உள்ள வந்துட்டு பாத்தீங்களா? வருதா? ஓகே மேடம். Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Ma'am, screen sharing எடுத்து விடுங்க மேம். ஷேர் ஸ்க்ரீன். ஷேர் ஸ்க்ரீன் எடுத்து விட்டீங்கன்னா தான் இங்கேருந்து பிபிடி போட முடியும். சுரேஷ், ஷேர் ஸ்க்ரீன் எடுத்து விடு சுரேஷ். ஹலோ சுரேஷ். சுரேஷ், ஷேர் ஸ்க்ரீனை வந்து எடுத்து விடு. ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேரிங்னு ஒன்று இருக்குல்ல, அதை வந்து ஹோஸ்ட் டிசேபிள் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறேன். மேம் இன்ட்ரோ கொடுப்பாங்களா? Okay, very good afternoon to one and all coming for this session. So I'm just welcoming Dr. A. Kadril from SRM. So he is having around 18 years of experience in teaching, and he is having the research capability, like he published many research paper in SEA, SEAE, Scopus, and he is having funded project in different funding agency like DSC, AICT, etc. And he is also published, he is also filed a patent, and he is one of the leading research personality in the research community. Once again, I'm welcoming Dr. A. Kadrivel for presenting this session. Welcome you, sir. ஒரு நிமிஷம்
Shall we start, Suresh?
You can start right now, sir.
Okay. Topic is given to me is machine learning and research overview. Today's discussion, we have to discuss the following things. What is machine learning? Learning system model, training and testing, performance, algorithms, machine learning structure, what we seeking, learning techniques, application and conclusion. Why we learn machine learning? Machine learning is a programming computer to optimize the performance criteria using an example data or past experience. There is no need to learn to calculate the payroll mechanism. Learning is used to human expertise, unable to explain the expertise, for example, speech recognition, solution change in time, routing a computer network, solution need to be adapted a particular case such as an user biometrics. When and what we talk about learning general models from the data particular examples. Nowadays data is very cheap. Everywhere data is available. So how we have used the data in appropriate way. Then only it is an reasonable cost. That cost is coming where and when we have used the data is very important. Expected is things is an knowledge. Knowledge is an expensive and scarce today. So we have to improve our knowledge. For example, in retail, customer transaction to the customer behavior. What we have bought, it will follow up the transactions of our purchase or whatever it may be. Build a model that is a good and useful appropriate to the data. What is a data mining? What is the definition for data mining? I'll discuss about what is a definition of data mining. Data mining, non-trivial process of identifying valid, novel, potential useful, and ultimate understandable pattern data. It's given by Fag. What are all the application of data mining? Data mining is used in many areas. For example, retail, finance, manufacturing, medicine, telecommunication, bioinformatics, and web mining, etc. Nowadays, it is used in almost all the areas. Now, I'll explain what is a machine learning. Machine learning is study of algorithm that improve the performance at some task with the experience. It is helpful to optimize the performance based on the present data as well as past experience. What is the role of statistics? It influences the reason. What is the, what is the use of a computer science here? It will provide an efficient algorithm how to resolve the optimization and how to represent the model inference. What is machine learning? Where it is actually coming from? It is a branch of artificial intelligence concerned with the design and development of algorithm that allows the computer to evolve the behavior based on the empirical data. As an intelligence requires knowledge, it is necessary the computer acquire the knowledge. What is a machine learning? It's very hard to write a program to solve problem like recognize the face. We don't know what program and how to write the program. We don't know how the brain is designed. So good idea how to do it the program it's complicated, little bit complicated. Instead of that writing and program by hand, we collect lot of example, specify the correct output given input. Machine learning algorithm then takes an example, produce the program that does the job. In Wikipedia, what is the definition is given for machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence concern the construction and study of systems that can learn from data. some other people also given some other definition for machine learning. Epton Alpidin, they have given in the different way. It's a programming computer to optimize the performance criterion using an example data or past experience. Kevin, they have given in a different definition. The goal of machine learning is to develop a method that automatically detect the pattern in the data and then use uncover pattern to predict the future data or other outcomes of interest. Christopher, they have given in that different angle. What is that? The field of pattern recognition is concerned with automatic discovery of regularities. The data through
My RM6 Parma.
use of regularity.
அதுல அலாரம் வச்சிரு எப்ப முடிய போகுது
4 க்கு வைமா இல்ல 3:30 க்கு
Machine learning
போலையா
3:45
based on the
4 o'clock முடிய போகுது
இல்ல நீ வந்து 4 o'clock முடியுது நீ 3:30
अब कैसा फील होता है अलार्म 4 o'clock முடிய போகுது இல்லையா 3:50 का अलार्म
சில நேரம்
what is the machine learning?
3:30 க்கு வச்சிட்டேனா அந்த லாஸ்ட் மீட்ல பாத்துக்கலாம் சில பேர் சீக்கிரம் முடிச்சிராங்க
They produce the future data, predictor, and produce the output. We have past as an input with the help of the system is train it and produce the output that is called as a machine learning mechanism. Here, these are all the data acquisition is available. Minimum data is available. After training data, that blue color is segregator and red color is subaggregator. So this is training set. This is a testing set. Suppose we have given as a practical input means after that it will give like this. Training is the system able to learn. Okay, training set, testing set come from the same distribution. Assumption or bias. So here, good example they have given in this slide. Performance. There are several factors affecting the performance. Types of training provider, performance and extent of any initial background knowledge, type of feedback provider, learning algorithm used.
जमीन हो जाएगी वाकई ये बेट बहुत ही कमाल की है इसे आप किसी भी कंपनी के नीचे बैठ सकते हैं जैसे कि हमने इसे इस्तेमाल करने के बाद आपको रिजल्ट्स दिखाए हैं देखिए पसीना निकल रहा है हम दोनों के शरीर से ये हॉट स्पिनिंग ब्रेड का कमाल है इसके अंदर आपको रेगुलेटर मिल जाता है टेंपरेचर का अगर आप तापमान ज्यादा करना
Knowledge
वो अपनी आपको बारे में एकदम
should extract use of information.
மட்டன் பிரியாணினா இதுல கம்பர்
Algorithm we have discussed here. One is in supervised learning. Supervised learning.
நாம இத சொல்லணும் நான் அதிக கம்பெனி பண்ணலாம்
What is in supervised learning? Supervised learning already predicted element is available. Values we have classified here. Unsupervised learning, it is a class reinforcement decision is automatically taken by robots. This and all is basically it is used for
இன்னைக்கு அவன் கேர்ள் ஃப்ரெண்ட் கிட்ட நீங்க டச் பண்றவங்களுக்கு 5 லட்சம் கிஸ் பண்றவங்களுக்கு 10 லட்சம் 25 லட்சம் தான் வாங்க 5 லட்சம்
Inbulata Nandi, mute yourself.
No. Washroom. Do this. வேற எந்த ஒப்பீனியனும் இல்ல. இதெல்லாம் பேசுறதுக்காக தான் பண்ணேங்கிறத சொல்லு. இவ்ளோ பேர் ஏமாத்துனடி.
Okay. Next slide. Example of data is given here. Data and the different types of fruits. Example is here. There are two varieties of apple is available and two varieties of banana is available. With the help of that, how we can able to identify the supervised and unsupervised data like that. Okay. The different types of example I have given here. Processor and this network connector and camera, everything is going with the different things. This is a labeled supervised learning. What is unsupervised learning? Supervised learning, here red color apple is given, it is in label 1, and that green color apple is given as in label 3, and banana label as in 4, and another type of banana they can given as a label number 5. This is a labeled example. We can able to label like this also. With the help of that serial number, we can able to label it. With the help of that serial number, we can label it. Supervised learning, after labeling it, we can pass this as an input to the model predictor. In the model predictor, there is some algorithm is available. Based on that previous experience, they have to get an idea. While it is in round shape, it is called as an apple, orange, or banana, apple, orange, or there are some other fruits, it's circle shape. So it is based on that experience, they are identified. For example, apple is available. Apple, based on that model predictor, it will identify and they have stored it in the memory. It is called as the machine learning. Machine learning from the past experience. Supervised learning classification and finite of a set of labels. So for example, label also we can able to give like this. Apple means apple, you can label one, instead of that label 1, label 2, like that we can able to give an apple, maybe banana, or whatever the fruits name. In nomenclature we have used in that real world, we can able to give like this. Types of learning task: supervised learning, reinforcement learning, supervised, unsupervised learning. Last slide we discussed about that. There are 4 types of learning mechanisms available: supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning. What is unsupervised? We can able to predict the output. Supervised learning, we can able to predict the output. What is an unsupervised? Unsupervised, we cannot able to predict the output. Based on that label, we can able to predict. What is a reinforcement? Reinforcement is nothing but it is an important area that we will not able to cover in this course. Next, that this is a totally different from that supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So it's we will discuss in the later. Here it's a good example where I have given as a classification example. Here, based on that, we can able to give an answer XY. In that XY, we have given 2 things. One is income as well as saving. While we are calculating and any human beings, how they have made an expenditure based on that income and saving they have put it. So within that range, here this range is nothing but this is a low risk. If that things is passed in that red area, it is called as a high risk. There is a difference between low risk and high risk customer. Their income and savings is clearly explained in this slide. Classification applications. Here, that a classification application we have used in that many ways. There are so many things that a classification mechanism we have used. One is in face recognition, next one is in character recognition, third one is in spam detection, fourth one is in medical diagnostics, and fifth one is in biometrics, and many more application that ML is used. Where that how that face recognition ML is used. In the face recognition, ML is used in the many ways. Nowadays, in India, Aadhaar is implemented everywhere. Aadhaar is implemented. Aadhaar, they have observed our eyes, nose, and face recognition, thumb, everything, and that whole hand, everything they have taken. So with the help of that face recognition, easily they will identify the person is doing something or not. So if the police person is identified means with the help of that Aadhaar, all the picture is available. So nowadays one more third eye we have introduced in that Chennai. It is called as that camera. Web camera is installed in almost nearly 1.5 lakhs camera installed in that almost all Chennai areas. It is with the help of the face recognition, easily they will identify and culprit people. So next one is in character recognition. Like face recognition, with the help of that face recognition, easily identified what type of character you are. So there is some types of that human character it is available. So it's a good person or normal person or arrogant people. So it is an lazy people like that we can able to recognize with the help of the character. Spam detection. So the ML it is used in the spam detection also. Nowadays that the email number of spam mails it is always received to us. So that the spam detector and eliminated this ML mechanism they have used. Medical diagnostics also it is used in brief in that ML mechanism for symptom to illness. What type of symptom it may be? Automatically nowadays, suppose you have any pain in any area, automatically you type in the Google. With the help of the Google, automatically you will get a video as well as what type of symptom it may be, what is that medicine maybe. So whether it is an home medicine or it may be you want to go to that medical shop, everything that medical diagnostics to solve your problem. So this now ML it is used in that particular level. Biometric. So nowadays everywhere it is in biometric. College, all offices, office, everywhere that biometric recognition is coming into the picture. Previous 10 to 15 years back, previous 10 to 15 years back, we have biometric, we have seen in that English movies only. Nowadays, we have used biometrics everywhere in this world. Recognize authentication using physical and behavior characteristics, face, iris, signature, etc. Okay. Supervised regression. Supervised learning using a regression method. Regression method, we can able to label in that real values. For example, now instead of that label, we can also give some real values. For example, we know that what is in real values. Real value is nothing but the number with the decimal point is called as in real values. Ma'am, okay, minus 4.5, and apple green apple it is mentioned as in 10.1, and normal robusta banana they mention as in 3.2, and another variety of banana they give it as in 4.3. So regression example we can able to make it as some graph. Look into that. With the help of that, here there are I have used as a price and the used car. I would take it as in two things. Based on that mileage and price, I draw a graph. So price I mention in that y-axis, and mileage I put it in that x-axis. So based on that regression example, this is given in the Python. Okay, regression applications. Regression applications, economics and finance. It is used for stock mechanism. We can able to use some regression application. Epidemiology we have used, and in navigation nowadays, car navigation or driving navigation, and steering wheel, acceleration, everything we can able to identify with the help of a regression application. Temporal trends, weather over and time, weather keep on it is changing. So morning it may be in sun shiny, and evening it may be in cold, and in between and rainy, maybe it happens. So this based on that regression we can able to supervised learning ranking like this. You can rank like this, label as in ranking. Label 1, 4, 2, 3. We can able to rank like this. It is in supervised learning with the help of a ranking mechanism. So ranking we can able to give like this. Based on that, Google also if you type anything, it will give a ranking. Which website is giving first, which website is giving next. Based on that ranking, they have given and code. Ranking application, user preference, example Netflix, my list, movie, queue ranking, for example iTunes. It is used in that flight search, pre-ranking, n number of best output list, n number of best output list. So we can able to do it. So unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning, that the data they don't have any labels. User they can able to identify it with the help of the shape, color, or whatever it may be. There is no proper labeling mechanism is available. It is called as an unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning application that learn cluster group without any label. For example, customer segmentation. For example, customer segmentation. Segmentation, we know that it's a grouping or clustering. So customer group of customers, what type of customers you have, you can able to customize it, and you have to segregate it, and based on the customer behavior, you have to segment it. Next one is an image compression also it is used. Bioinformatics it is used a lot. For example, you can take it as a Motifis. Motifis it is used very well. So what is a reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning. So left, right, straight. There, for example, you take it as an apple. In that apple, you can able to take. You take left side, right side, straight, left. That straight everything. It is a good. You can able to decide whether it is a good or bad. So yeah, based on that position. Otherwise, you can able to give some values. Values even you can able to give a negative value also. That reinforcement learning is nothing but sequence of example states and reward after completing that sequence. Learn to predict the action to take in an individual example state. Here reinforcement learning. Another one example I have given back move. So that the first one is called as a win, and the next one it is a lose. So seeing that sequence, we cannot able to predict what uh, what is the problem. Here, given sequence of moves, whether or not player one or end, learn to make a good moves. So we cannot able to predict. So that and all it is fine. So other learning variations. So what is in data available? Data available. So far we discussed there are four types of learning mechanism we have discussed. One is supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning. Another one more point I mentioned here as an active learning. Active learning. Nowadays they have different types of things. It is added here. So, how we are getting the data? We can able to getting the data from an internet. It is an online, or you can able to get the data already processed data available in that particular different types of website. You can able to download it. It is called as an offline learning. There are different types of model is available. One is generative model, and another one is a discriminative model. What is a generative model? Generative model is nothing but it is it talks about that, it describe about that and single type. General generality talks about that only one type, a particular type is called as a generative model. That different types in general it is called as a generative model. Discriminative it isn't just opposite. It talks about the only one type. Similarly, parametric and non-parametric also, we know that. What is in parametric? Parametric based on that some parameters, color or size or shape, everything based on that we can able to classify. That is called as a parametric model. Next one is a non-parametric model. So, following things we have discussed. So how the machine learning structure is available? Machine learning structure, it is given as a supervised learning. So based on that supervised learning, so documents, text document, image, sounds we have given, feature vectors, and the label you pass to machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm, they help predict the model and it will produce the expected label. Produce the expected label. That is a machine learning structure. Unsupervised model. Unsupervised model, it is a very small difference between a supervised model and unsupervised model. Label. Label position may be changed. Label position, label is there. Here unsupervised label is not there. Training, feature vector, machine learning algorithm, like that you can able to cluster it. That is a main objective of an unsupervised learning. So it's an some formula we can able to identify how the error may be minimized. Minimize the error, we can able to minimize likelihood estimation, we can able to identify underfitting and overfitting. So just take a look at underfitting and overfitting. So supervised learning categories techniques. Again, classified into linear classifier, parametric, non-parametric, and aggregation. So many things you come across in that 4 days class. Already it is discussed. So I will leave this. I skip this topic. Linear classification. What is linear classification? Or where it is used? Linear classification used in the reception, logistic regression, support recognition, umbrella line, multi-layer perception. So it is some tested data is given. Error rate 0.1. So there is some no congestion. Error rate 1.156. Error rate is okay. Non-linear case also is discussed. SVM support, non-linear feature translation, and thermal function is given in that case. Unsupervised learning categories and techniques, clustering, K-mean clustering, and spectral clustering, it is discussed. Density estimation, GMM model, graphical model is dimensionality reduction, principal common analysis, and factor analysis technique are widely used. What are the applications of this? Face detection, object detection and recognition, image segmentation, multimedia event detection, economical and commercial usage. Machine learning based on the some things we can able to predict. Two, you can able to draw like this. Two. For example, number two, we can able to write like this. Based on the different people, they can able to depends on the people. But machine they can able to identify the two like this. Some more example of the task best resolved by using learning recognition pattern, facial identity or facial expression, handwritten or sports word, medical images, recognition anomalies such as unusual sequence of credit card transaction. Nowadays it is a very problem while you are using credit card transactions. Prediction, stock price and currency exchange rates. Some web-based example of machine learning. So spam filtering and fraud detection, recommendation system, information retrieval, and data visualization. Demo is available. Just click on see the display the structure of PC. So it's look like this. With some 3D view, 2D view, we can able to see like this. Display the structure, set of documents used in deep natural neural networks. Machine learning and symbolic AI. So what is an expert system? Based on the logical rule, condition probabilities provide an expert for specific topics. Graphical model is available. So set of logical assertion, logical inference, based on that we can able to learn it. Machine learning statistics. There are three mechanisms we can able to identify this machine learning. Ridge regression, fitting, held out bias. So based on that, we can able to emphasize following things: good piece of statistics, good piece of machine learning. So what is statistics and what is machine learning? Clearly, it is given in the things. So easily you can able to distinguish between statistics as well as artificial intelligence. So what is a machine learning? Automatic automation, getting a computer to program themselves, writing and software under Kotlin, data to do and work itself. So traditional program, what is the difference between a traditional program and machine learning? Traditional program, you can give data as well as program to the computer, it will produce the output. What is a machine learning? Machine learning, you give data and what output is expected. Automatically, computer is doing and that is called machine. So magic. So here seed is an algorithm, nutrients is data, gardener is you, plant is nothing but plant it will grow like that. Sample application, it is used in the group search, computational biology, finance, e-commerce, space exploration, robotics, social network, debugging, and different areas. Growth of machine learning. Machine learning, it is used in vital areas. Speech recognition, vision, computer vision, medical, robot, computational biology, etc. It also used in the trends in accelerating, improving machine learning algorithms, improving the data capture, networking, faster computer, and a new sensor and IO device, and difficult to extract the knowledge from the human expert. Where this application is used, association analysis, supervised learning such as in classification, regression, as well as prediction, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. So we have discussed in brief about following topics. Learning association. So basket analysis, while you are reached into that and use any supermarket. So what are all the things it should be an associate? Associate should be an arranged in the nearby. So easily they will pick up. So on the productivity is also increased and the sales is also increased. For example, you take bread. In that near to bread, milk is available means it is also one type of bread, diaper, beer, egg, etc. Milk, diaper, beer, coke, etc. Like that you can able to arrange and it's called as a learning association. Learning association is simple. Okay, classification application, aka pattern recognition, face recognition, and character recognition, speech recognition, medical diagnostics, and group computers. What is in face recognition? Face recognition based on the pose, lighting, makeup, hairstyle, etc. We can able to identify the particular person is not a particular person is correct person or not. Character recognition depends upon the different handwriting style. You can able to identify the persons. Speech recognition based on the dictionary or syntax of language, you can be able to identify. Medical diagnostics already we discussed. Web advertising just based on the internet, automatically some pop-up ad is coming to you. For example, face recognition, I take it as an example. Different bases, training example of the particular test images. In the test image, which image is identified? First one. Am I right? First one. So based on the first image, it automatically choose. So we can able to this face recognition related database. We can able to get this AT&T laboratory with prediction recognition already we discussed. Supervised learning uses. For example, decision tree tools create and tools. There are four methods: prediction of future case, knowledge extraction, compression, outlier detection. Unsupervised learning, there are different things. No output, clustering, example, customer segmentation using in CRM, image compression, and bioinformatics. Okay, reinforcement already. Okay, where did I get this reinforcement learning? Game playing, workboard, and multiple dimensions. Partially observable. Resources I have received is UCA repository, UCA KDD archive, statistics library, Dell. Journal, machine learning, particular journal is available. For example, Journal of Machine Learning Research is available. Nowadays, machine learning is coming up. So, lot of journal about machine learning. IEEE transaction also put it as a neural network journal is available. Now, machine IEEE transaction and machine learning is started. IEEE transaction and pattern analysis in machine intelligence, anal of statistics, American Statistical Association, etc. Many journals is available. Conferences, specific conferences is designed for the purpose. The following conferences is very famous. International conferences, machine learning, European conference on machine learning, neural information process, computational learning, International Joint Conference of Artificial Intelligence, ACM, and IEEE. So representation, evaluation, and optimization. There are three components of the machine learning. So every day it is growing. Representation, decision tree, set of rules, logic program, instance, graphical model, neural network, support vector machine, model example, etc. Evaluation is given like this: accuracy, precision, likelihood, margin, entropy, KL divergence. Optimization, there are three types of optimizations: complement, complementary optimization, converse optimization, constraint optimization. Okay, we reached the end slide and conclusion that we have simple overview of some techniques and algorithms in machine learning. Furthermore, there are more and more techniques applying machine learning as a solution. In future, machine learning will play an important role in our daily life. Thank you very much. Reference. Suresh, shall we wind up? Suresh? Ma'am, shall we wind up? Suresh? Shall I wind up? Audience, did you have any questions?
If you have any doubts or questions, you can clarify from Dr. Kadirvel sir. Okay, sir, shall we wind up the session?
Audience, do you have any questions?
Okay, sir, we come to the end. So I'm extremely thankful for giving you the great lecture for us. So we learned many things about machine learning and data science. On behalf of Sairam Institute of Technology, I'm very much thankful for giving this great lecture. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We'll wind up the session. Thank you.
No, sir, no time earlier, no problem. Wind up பண்ணிடுமா?
Wind up.